everyone, welcome back to the new Auto Insurance 101 video series with AAdvantage Insurance. I'm so glad that you're here. If this is the first time you're joining us, welcome. This is going to be the last video of the series, and if you did not see any of the other ones, the links are all down below so that you can catch up. And we designed this video series so that you can make informed decisions about your car insurance. We want you to have that peace of mind that you got rock solid coverage, that you are not wasting your hard-earned money, and you know what you're getting. Okay? All right, let's get started. Okay, so before I get to the coverage part, let me introduce myself. And again, if you've seen this before, you can just skip through. It's the same stuff. My name is Mary Stover. I am a licensed agent with AAdvantage Insurance Group, and we are an independent insurance agency located in the great state of Pennsylvania. I personally have been licensed in insurance for over 17 years now, so I've been around here for a bit. Now, before I get to the coverages, two things. One, if you are seeking advice for your insurance online, if you're just Googling it and you don't know what to do, please, whoever is giving the advice, please make sure that they are actually a licensed insurance agent. That can make a huge difference on whether or not you're getting the correct advice or the complete advice. So keep that in mind. And then point number two is I am licensed only in the state of Pennsylvania. So the coverages that I discussed throughout this video series, they pertain just to Pennsylvania. And there might be some similarities if you're watching this and you're from out of state. There could be similarities elsewhere in other states, but I only know Pennsylvania. So take what I say, take it to your local agent and see how it compares to you. All right, let's get going. Okay, so today we're going to talk about the bells and whistles of your car insurance policy. These are optional coverages you can put on. And this is mentioned in our free guide, The 5 Mistakes to Avoid When Shopping Car Insurance. This refers to the gimmicks that you'll hear in the insurance advertising on TV. They talk about, well, we provide this or we provide that. But what they're not telling you is that you usually end up having to pay for it one way or the other. So we wanted to let you know that first. If you don't have that free report, the link is down below. Get that in your hands right now. But these bells and whistles are definitely completely optional, obviously, and you just want to talk to your agent and price them out and see if you want them or need them. One of the bells and whistles you can put on is rental car coverage. So if your vehicle is involved in an accident or you hit a deer and it's out of commission for a while, you can get a rental car to get you from A to B until that vehicle is fixed. So that's a nice feature. Another option is towing or roadside service coverage. Also a very nice feature, and most companies will provide this coverage even if it doesn't involve an accident. So if you lock your keys in your car or you have a flat tire, your vehicle needs towed, those kinds of things, they'll provide that roadside service. So that's really nice as well. Another optional coverage you may have heard advertised is diminishing deductible. Now each company does this a little bit different, but generally speaking, this is coverage that your deductible will decrease every policy term, so every 6 months or every year, depending on how long your policy term lasts, if you go accident-free or claim-free. So your deductible gets smaller and smaller each time. Pretty nice, but you do have to pay to have this feature. So you have to decide, does the cost outweigh the benefit? And then there's another feature that's called replacement car coverage. And I mentioned in the full coverage video that I recorded for you guys, again, the link is down below, that nothing would be more frustrating than you buying a brand new vehicle, you drive it off the lot, and you're T-boned. For whatever reason, the second you drive a vehicle off the lot, it immediately decreases in cash value. So replacement car coverage can be a very, very nice feature. It also sometimes can double as a gap coverage. So if the value of your vehicle is actually less than your loan amount, it will make up the difference there. So that is something that can be really helpful for those newer vehicles out there. If you've got a new car, it might be something you want to put on. And then finally, there's one more thing that I'm forgetting and I can't remember. Let me look at my notes. We got the rental. We have the towing, new car replacement, diminishing deductible. No, that's it. Of course, these are just general things. Each insurance company might have something different. I know one of the companies we work with, they waive a deductible if, let's say, you have an auto and a home claim at the same time. Like you have a house fire and your car was parked in the garage and it's damaged by that fire. They will just have one deductible in that scenario instead of having your home deductible and your car deductible. So different things like that. Each company is completely different. So when you're shopping your insurance, ask them about their added bells and whistles that you can tack onto your policy, price them out, and then see if you want any of them or none of them. This is going to be a completely personal decision for you. Personally, I think rental is super valuable. I think the towing is really valuable only because it is really inexpensive to put on your car insurance. So those two things, absolutely. And then from there, you're just going to want to decide, does it work for us budget-wise? Do we even want this? You can make that decision, okay? This concludes the Auto Insurance 101 video series. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. Just make sure you subscribe to our channel. We have more videos coming out outside of this series that I think you'll find super helpful and hopefully entertaining. So make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you've liked this video series. I'd love to hear from you guys. Make sure you're following us on social media. And again, don't forget to get that free report. All the links for everything is down below in the description box. So go ahead and click away and follow us on social media and get that free report. Okay, guys? Thank you so much for joining. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.